Good day. My name is Laimi Ipinge. Welcome to our first program for Hospitality Grade 9. Today's topic is laundry. Laundry is defined as clothes and linen that needs to be washed. Now let's look at the learning objectives. Learners should be able to describe and apply the procedures for treating stains and laundry items. List the cleaning agent, chemicals, and equipment required to wash specific laundry items. Describe the appropriate procedures for washing and drying laundry items. And describe the appropriate procedures for ironing and pressing laundry items. Now that we know our objectives, let's start with the lesson. Dear viewers, linen should be inspected as it is removed from the bed by the housekeeping worker, and again when it reaches the laundry. First, let's understand what stains are. Stains refer to marks or dirt in linen or clothes that is not easily removed. There are various types of stains that make linen and clothes dirty and need washing, such as blood stains that can be as a result of cuts and open wounds. There are also oil stains from cooking or garage. Stain could also be red wine spill during a meal or even coffee stain. There are also ink stains, makeup stains, paint stains, and many more others. Today's lesson aims at describing the procedures to follow when treating stains before washing. Let me show you how to spot all sorts of stains and how to treat them before the items are washed. Different stains appear differently on the material. Observe how each stain is looking different from another here. One can identify the stain by sight, odor, feel, color, as well as its location. Different stains are treated differently. There are also house remedies such as vinegar, soda water, baking soda, lemons, and salt. Those are all eco-friendly stain removers and can be used on small-scale stains. There are, however, rules about stain removal. Find out what caused the stain. This will help you to decide how to remove it. Treat a stain as soon as possible, just after it happens if possible. Pre-test oil-based stains and then use a stain. If the stain seems permanent and won't come out, just keep repeating the stain treatment until it fades. Don't wash the fabric until the stain has disappeared. Washing the fabric sets the stain into the fabric, making it harder to treat if not impossible to get out. If you decide that bleach is the only solution, first test that the fabric will not be harmed by testing the bleach on a smaller piece of the fabric first. Choose a piece that is not visible. Don't use bleach on wool or silk materials. Now let's look at various cleaning agents and chemicals used during laundry. There are various types of cleaning agents and chemicals used in hospitality laundry department as well as in commercial laundry service providers such as water, soap, synthetic detergent, alkali, stiffeners and softeners, bleaches, acid agents, organic solvents, and absorbents. There are also special equipment used in the laundry department for washing and drying. These are basins of various sizes and sinks, brushes, baskets, washing machine, tumble dryer, pressing roller, irons of variety, pegs, and hangers. When washing and drying items, first you need to sort them out in this order. Sort laundry into linen, towel, uniform, and other items. Inspect and remove or treat any stain spotted. Dirty items should be moved to the laundry. When the washer is loaded and cycle has started, care of heat and amount of detergent used should be taken. When wash a cycle is over, the washing is unloaded. Many larger hotels dry their linen on special machine that works with a giant roller and heat. Linen is ironed and dried at the same time. And lastly, linen is folded. There are also ironing presses that work well for trousers and kitchen uniforms. Some items, however, it is necessary to use a conventional hand-operated iron to successfully get all the creases out. Now that we have come to the end of our program, let's look at what we've learned about laundry. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.